So in this session, we are going to see how to control an LED connected to Arduino board using a key press in the keyboard of the laptop. In the previous experiment, you have seen how to control an LED using a mouse click. So I'll be giving the link there. So here, what I am going to do is you need to control the LED present in the Arduino using a key press in the keyboard of the laptop. That is what I am going to do. So in this experiment, if I am pressing a key A in the keyboard, the LED present in the Arduino will be on. When I am pressing B, LED present in the Arduino will be off. Right. So by using a key press, that is A or B, you will be controlling the LED connected to the Arduino. So for doing this experiment, you should have this code running in the Processing IDE, and you should have an hardware Arduino board connected to the same laptop through a USB cable, and in that Arduino you should have a serial reception program burnt onto it. Serial reception program means when it is receiving a character 1 through the serial port, LED will be on in the Arduino. When it is receiving 0 through the serial port, LED present in the Arduino will be off. So that program should be already burnt onto the Arduino. The link for that program also I am giving here. So that program should be running on the Arduino, and this processing code should be running on the laptop. So based on the character key you are pressing on the keyboard, your LED will be controlled. So we'll go through this program. You are importing processing.serial. You are creating an object for font. You are creating an object for serial communication. Then here you are creating a window of width 220, height 200. You are creating a font of type Arial and size 16. Here you are initializing a serial port with the COM port number 3 and baud rate 9600. That is in the setup part. In the draw part, you are drawing a background. Background 255 means you are creating a background with a single color. That 255 means white background you will be getting. If you are giving 0, then black background you are getting. Here you are creating a white background. Then you are defining the text font as of type F and size 14. Then you are selecting the filling color as 0. 0 means black. So whatever you are going to fill, it will be filled with the black color. Then you are adding two text similar to the other program. You are giving instructions. When you are pressing A in the keyboard, device will be on. This text will be displayed at a coordinate x-axis 20, y-axis 100. B in keyboard, when you are pressing B in keyboard, device off. This text will be displayed in x-axis 20, y-axis 120. Then so this will be in the draw part. Then this is a event for checking the key press, right? In the previous program, you have written the mouse press detection inside the draw function itself. Here, it is another type of representation. Here, you are using a key press event. Similarly, mouse press event is there. Here, I am using key press event. That means whenever a key is pressed in the keyboard, this function will be automatically executed. That is known as an event. We have seen void on function for mouse press event. That means whenever you are pressing the mouse, that whenever you are pressing on event, we have seen whenever you are pressing a button, that on function will be executed. That is on event related with that on button. Similarly, when you are pressing off button, that void off function will be executed. That I have already explained when I am dealing with the mouse press event. That link also I will be giving here. So here what I am doing with the function known as key press is, it is an event. Event means what? When I am doing something, this function will execute. What event it is can execute this function? Key pressed. So whenever I am pressing a key in the keyboard, this event, this function will execute. Whatever may be the key in the keyboard, whenever I am pressing a key, this function will start executing. This is known as an event function. For the mouse, we have written it inside the draw itself, but here I am writing it as a separate event known as key press event. So whenever you are pressing a key, you will go, this function will start executing. Inside this function, you are using a variable known as key. This key variable, it is already defined in the event function. So whenever I am pressing a key, corresponding value of the key that is pressed will be automatically stored onto this variable. So here I am checking whether the key value is equal to capital A or small a. This is an OR function. If it is capital A or small a, you will be sending a value 1 through the serial port. Similarly, if the value of key is capital B or small b, 0 value will be sent. So when I am pressing capital A or small a, 1 will be sent. When I am pressing capital B or small b, 0 will be sent. So if you are having an Arduino board connected to the same serial port, and if I am pressing A in the keyboard, what will happen? In the Arduino board, you will be having the reception program. So when I am pressing A, 1 will be sent through the serial port, and when the Arduino board is receiving 1, LED will be on. In this case, when I am pressing B, 0 will be sent through the serial port, and when the 0 is received in the Arduino board, LED will be off. Right? So this is how we are controlling an LED present in Arduino using the key press. So this key variable is already defined in the function, that you should keep in mind. Now you will run this program. Since I don't have the Arduino board, I am commenting the lines where I am using the serial communication. Otherwise it will show some error. Then you can run the program. So when you are running, again you will be getting a window with two messages displayed. Right, these are the two messages. The coordinate of this message is 20, 100. This is 20 x-axis, this is 100. This is again x-axis is same, right? Y-axis is different. So here when I am pressing A in the keyboard, you can see 1 will be displayed in the console as well as 1 will be sent through serial port. Right? Similarly, I will be adding one more line here, println 0. So you can see that you can detect the 0 key press also. So when I am pressing A, 1 will be sent. Right. So first you should click on this window, then only you should press A, otherwise it will not detect. So you should click on this window, then press A. So 1 will be shown in the console as well as 1 will be written to a serial port. Then if I am pressing B, 0 will be written in the console and 0 will be written to the serial port. Right. This is how by pressing a particular key, that is A or B in the keyboard, you are able to control an LED present in the Arduino. So you should keep in mind that the Arduino reception program, which I have explained earlier using Tinkercad, should be burned onto the Arduino before running this program. Then only Arduino can receive the characters 1 or 0 and make the LED on or off based on this value. Right? Thank you.